Dear friends, welcome to Learning Abode. In this video, I'm going to share recruitment information from 5 different companies, and some of these are like single location based hiring, some of these are like multiple location based hiring, but none of them are like mass pan India hiring in the true sense, okay, because there are some limitations maybe in terms of numbers or maybe in terms of the specializations that they hire, okay, but good companies and like good roles and like good offers, right? Now first to start with IBM. Now IBM, they are hiring like software engineer role for the 2023 batch, right? Now so for this like they have given like 2 links, right? So I have so this information, as you can see, I have taken from LinkedIn, okay. Now so among the 2 links, okay, so the one is about the job description and all, so where they are asking for master's or bachelor's degree in computer science and engineering or other related fields, okay. So it can be like CSE, IT, and like so unrelated like branches, okay. So here they are expecting like strong expertise in system software programming skills like C, C++, Java, Python, Golang, React JS, Groovy, etc. Strong knowledge of operating system concepts like Unix, Linux, internals, data structures, algorithm, experience in cloud computing. But this is basically for freshers, okay. So when you say experience, like whatever, like hands-on experience or whatever, right? And like in terms of like preferred technical and professional expertise, they're expecting like knowledge of J2EE, JSP, RESTful web services, web UI frameworks like Vardin, React JS, and UI styling libraries, etc. Knowledge of OpenStack, security, virtualization management, right? And very importantly, the last day to apply for this hiring is like 24th of August, and for this particular role you can expect about like 4.5 lakhs even at the entry level, okay. So this is for 2023 batch. So 24th of August is the last day to register, and 28th is the date on which the event will be held, okay. So they're calling it as a virtual event, right? So it will be like online, and as far as the location is concerned, like multiple location, okay. So that is like in a sense it's a kind of a pan India hiring with respect to IBM, okay. So whatever IBM locations are available in our country, so for they are hiring for all those locations. So the role is like software engineer. This is for 2023 graduates for CSE, IT, and related streams, right? So there's one more link, okay. So one is basically you have to fill all the details, and then you have to specifically like fill for this particular event, okay. So please ensure that you are filling both the forms. So I've given both the forms, even the original LinkedIn link also I have given, okay, so that if you have any doubts also you can check. So in the form, like they're asking all the regular stuffs like like your name, email address, okay. So where are you located, how did you hear about this opportunity, highest qualification, degree, year of like passing out, like qualification, CGPA, college name, and UG degree, PG degree, percentage, all that, like so are you willing to relocate and all that, right? So so this is a form for registering for this particular event. So all the relevant links are provided in the description below, and as I said, it's a very good opportunity from IBM, right? Those who are eligible and willing to go for it, you can just go for it. Now next one, Cisco, they are hiring for their Bangalore location. Now this is also for the 2023 graduates, but there are like 4 different opportunities, okay. So there are 4 different opportunities. Just check, like so again I have labeled, like whatever is the role, I have specified the role, and then I have given the link, okay. So accordingly, like whichever you are interested, like whichever you are eligible, you can accordingly. But this is again mostly for like CSE, IT, and related like branches, okay, for right. So first one, information security engineer, as I said, Bangalore location. So they're asking like CGPA like 8, okay. So CSE, IT, and related, and so proficiency in general security concepts like cyber-security, directory services, authentication services, security intelligence, forensics, etc. So if you are basically, if you have an idea like related to network security and all that, you can try for this, and familiar with the standard programming languages like C, C++, Python, okay, and scripting, automation skills, etc. You can like give it a try. Okay, so this is like information security engineer in Cisco. Now Cisco, they are also hiring like business process analyst. Now this is also a technical role, okay. So when you say business process analyst, okay, it is not a management role, it is a technical role, right? So you should possess general business knowledge like sales, finance, etc., right? And at the same time, like what they are expecting is currently you are pursuing like a bachelor of engineering degree in computer science or information science. Okay, so again like CACIT and related 8 CGPA and all that, right? But this is a business process analyst role for the 2023 batch. And there is also like customer success specialist. Now this is also a technical a role. Okay, so they're expecting like minimum CGPA of 8.5 and above, 2023 batch only, and bachelor's or master's in a technical field such as networking, computer science, information technology, electrical, computer engineering, etc., right? So this is the third role, customer success specialist. There is also one more role, technical project specialist. This is also for the 2023 batch, more than 8 CGPA. Again, computer science, IT or related. Okay. So may require familiarity with cloud platforms from IT or public cloud services like AWS, GCP. There is Google. Google's cloud platform, and then like Azure and so on. Okay, so 4 opportunities mostly for like CACIT and related 2023 batch. Cisco, like the pay will be like I do not know the exact exact CTC, but it will be like good. Okay, like something close to 5 or even more. Okay, so Cisco, Bangalore location. Those are interested, you can just check the description below and then apply. Right. Now next one, Deloitte. Okay, so they have posted this on August 19, 2022. Business operations OT fresher. Okay, the location is Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Bengaluru. So 4 locations, right? And this is for engineering or BCom graduates from 2020, 2021 and 2022. So 3 batches, tier 1, tier 2 colleges, right? So if you are from engineering or BCom background from the 3 batches 2020, 2021 and 2022, you can go for this, right? 4 locations, right? So the link is provided in the description below. There is one more hiring from Deloitte. Now this is for the Coimbatore location. No, they are the role, though the role they are calling it as senior analyst. This was posted on August 18th, but freshers can also apply. That is what they have mentioned. So if you are from BCom, BCA or BBA background, okay, so freshers are eligible to apply, must have excellent communication skills, presentation skills, etc., right? And so IT knowledge and various utility packages preferred. Okay, so that is what they have mentioned. So those are interested, the link is given below. You can click and apply. Now next hiring. Now so this is through the Unstop portal. Okay, so Wipro, they are hiring software developer for their Mumbai location. This was posted on 19th of August and the end date is 10th of September. That's the last day to apply. So there was so I think mostly like engineering graduates can apply for this. Okay, so basically like you'll be involved with all the different stages of the software development life cycle, right? Now next one, Siemens, they are hiring for their Bangalore location design and development engineer. This is a quite old post, okay, but the last date to apply is 1st of September 2022. So those interested can go for this. So who can apply? BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, like 0 to 2 years of experience. So freshers can also apply. If you have like strong hands-on experience in Windows development using C++, you can try. Okay, so good understanding of MFC, knowledge of multi-threading and IPC and associated concepts required. Okay, so good communication and all that is required, right? So exposure to agile development practices, knowledge of DICOM standards is an additional advantage, is what they have mentioned. So Bangalore locations, Siemens design and development engineer. 1st of September is the last day to apply. Those who are interested can go for this. Now the last one, HCL Technologies, for their Noida location they are hiring cyber-security-engineer, right? So here they have just given BTech, right, 0 to 2.5 years of experience, but mostly like so they'll be hiring like usually they hire like ITCS and related branches only, though they have mentioned only like BTech here. Okay, so usually like HCL they hire only ITCS and related branches for most of their roles. Okay, so cyber security engineer. Okay, so knowledge of vulnerability and compliance remediation is required. Okay, so as far as responsibilities they have given, right, respond to basic procedural incidents and applicable technical advices and threat intel notifications, assist in program development and facilitate function maturity and coordinate the work with global information technology risk and compliance with other internal stakeholders, etc. is what they have mentioned. So those who are interested can go for this. With this, I come to the end of this video. I hope the information that I have provided here was useful to you. If you like this information that I have provided here, if you like the video, please click on the like button and share it with your friends who may need it. And if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.